Hi and welcome to this presentation of Spik. Spik is a social media microblogging platform, and it's fairly new, but it's much like you have seen on the big players like X.com, formerly known as Twitter, Blue Sky, etc. There's some unique stuff built around Spik that makes it a lot different from other players, and that's our Spik coins, our virtual currency. I will tell you about that in a moment. This is the front page. I'm now logged in as Spik, and here on the front page I see the top 10 most popular posts from the last 7 days, and I can press my feed and I can see all the posts from people profiles I'm following, much like you know from X.com and other social media microblogging systems. Here on the right side I can see the most popular users to find new people to engage with. I can say hi to newly created users. But we have the rankings, which makes this a little bit different from other systems. We have a virtual currency called Spik coins. We have a referral program I will show you in a minute, and you can earn 25 Spik coins if you refer a new user. But around our content you can earn 2 Spik coins for every like your post get, and 1 Spik coin for every like on comments. So that's to encourage people to make great content. If you earn some Spik coins, you will get on the ranking list and get highlighted here. You can see I have the top 25 profiles. You can see their names, image, how many coins they earned, and we calculate a score based on the amount of coins, the value of the coins, and how long the user has been active. And that's because new users will have a chance to get on the ranking list quite fast. Example is this guy here, Per. He's a fairly new user. He only earned 4 Spik coins, but has a score of 0.67 and now on 4th place. So the referral program is quite simple. You get a unique referral link. You can copy it here and paste it on your other social media, your blog or whatever. And when people sign up using this link, you will earn 25 Spik coins. If you visit a profile, you can see how many coins they earned, a link to their own website, and how many followers they have and how many profiles they are following. And of course you can open this and see a list of the profiles, and of course all the posts they created. So it's a quite simple microblogging social media system. You can follow users, you can tag users, you can comment on posts, etc. But the fun thing is the Spik coins. Right now it's quite simple setup where you earn Spik coins if you refer some new users, if you get likes and on your post or comments. But I just made a new post here, so you can add this to your own blog, websites, other platforms, and make a comment, and I will credit you with 50 Spik coins. The plan is later on that you can use those Spik coins to get highlighted on the front page, create posts with do follow links. You can boost your post and use these Spik coins as a currency to get highlighted. And yeah, I have a lot of other ideas with Spik coins. More about that later. On your profile, you can edit your profile. Your username is of course locked. You can change your name, profile descriptions, date of birth, male, female, your website, country, profile picture. You can go to dark mode and so on. So it's free to create a user. So what are we waiting for? Come and join Spec. Thank you.